Hi everyone, I'm Catherine Grill and I'm one of the founders of Neolth. I'm here today to show you how to use the calendar feature on the Neolth app. It's a really cool feature that allows you to schedule activities into your calendar and get notifications when you have an activity for your mental health or well-being. So just like we're scheduling our daily routine for classes or homework or other tasks we have to do, Neolth wants to help you schedule your mental health and well-being activities, and our calendar feature does exactly that. So I'm going to share my screen and walk you through how to use this cool part of the app. A lot of people ask, how do you decide how many activities to put in your calendar? You can do that in your personalization settings. So either when you first sign up or when you go and adjust your personalization settings from your profile, you can decide which days of the week you want to get activities scheduled in your calendar. To access the calendar feature, just go right to the section that says calendar, click into it, and you'll be able to see all of your scheduled and completed activities. Things that have occurred in the past, you'll see are a darker color. You'll be able to see them in green for activities you've completed. And then you can see activities coming up in the future that are scheduled. You can click into activity to learn more about it. You can even reschedule an activity to a different day. Or you can do a drag and drop to reschedule. You can delete activities. You can even drag and drop activities or self-care activities from down below and put them right into your calendar. If you're already in your practices section and you're using a practice that you really love and you want to add it to your calendar, just click Add to Calendar button, choose the day, hit confirm, and you'll see that activity has then been added into your calendar. If you want to get notifications for when you have activities scheduled in your calendar, you can set that up in your account settings. You can get email, push notifications, or both for when you have a scheduled practice on your calendar. So that's how you use the Neolth calendar scheduling tool, and we hope that you enjoy it.